welcome to our vegan pancake video. Vegan only ingredients, and this way you might be new to veganism and thinking to yourself, how am I going to make pancakes this year? It's just around the corner, it's Pancake Day, one of the greatest, most fun days of the year. Yeah, we're going to show you how to make those vegan pancakes. They're delicious and cruelty free. So let's start. Yes. So Caprice, are you going to put the flour in? So you need to put it in there. Sieve. Okay. Now, oh, wait a minute. Before she starts, Claire's going to put the ingredients and weights in a corner or somewhere around the screen. I'm not too sure where.
Somewhere.
Somewhere. Oh no, in there. That's it. Ooh. So what we've got here is we've got some, wait a minute, baking powder, teaspoon of, Claire put that in the corner, sugar, and a pinch of salt.
Spin.
There we go.
What you mean? Salt.
I like salt. It's
right,
nice.
Bruce, you going to hold this for Mummy?
Pick it up.
Oh wait, I can.
Pour all of it in.
No, it might not taste very nice.
Yeah, it will.
Beautiful.
Can I have it?
Put it in there.
Hi.
Right. That is more or less the consistency that we think we're looking for. We've had to add an extra 200 millilitres of the milk because I don't blame me here. I don't prepare these videos.
Excuse me.
Mummy here, she researches them and she researched fat pancakes, not British thin delicious pancakes.
Does it matter?
We're not American.
Yeah.
It's not across the pond.
Oh, see, I get love off somebody.
We're joking.
First step, preheat your pan. Big flame, fun flame. Only for a few seconds. Once it's hot enough, you'll be able to tell just by waving your hand over the top. Yeah, add a little bit of oil. Now, I used to make the mistakes while doing pancakes of adding too much oil, and then when you come to flip it or turn it, it goes absolutely everywhere and you burn yourself. That is still a little thick, so feel free to add a little bit more milk than what we did.
That was good.
Oh, Daddy.
Go on.
Daddy, do it.
Yes!
Yes.
Pancake King.
Hey!
Ole!
Hey!
Do it again.
And that's been caught on video. That is the greatest moment of my life. I've had kids, I've got married to a hottie, I've gone vegan, I've had lots of great stuff, but flipping a pancake live on video. Oh, I've got a tip for you. Yep. What you do? Preheat your grill. Once they're ready, put them on a plate, slip them under the grill, switch the grill off at that point because it'll be nice and warm, and that'll help keep your pancakes warm while you cook the rest of them. Do you think you can do it?
Right, Chris, can you do it?
Throw it to the room.
Okay.
It's a bit heavy as the pan. Daddy might need to help you, I think.
You want help?
Throw it to the room.
Yeah.
Throw it to the room, please.
Backwards and forwards. Backwards. No, not sideways. Forwards. And... Hey! Hey! Look at that. That looks beautiful.
Oh, and it smells amazing. Right, little man. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Go on. Yay!
Oh, oh, 3 second rule.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh! Now, come on, to the roof, to the roof, to the roof.
Do it higher.
Hey! Ah! Tragedy!
Caught it.
Mummy,
I
can
saw
you
it.
do it higher this time?
That was amazing.
Right guys, so the pancakes are finished and I think you'll agree those look like traditional, delicious pancakes. And now it's the fun part. It's the time to start adding the fun ingredients. So I am actually going to start with Vigo spread.
Hey!
Is that what you're going to start with?
Yeah! I'm
You copycat.
I'm only putting Vigo spread on this one.
Is that all you're putting on?
Yeah.
You're not putting any of the other things on?
Strawberries.
Axel's going for the strawberries. In there with the strawberries.
What else are you going to put on
Share
there?
some strawberries, buddy.
Syrup, ice cream.
You're going to put that inside or do you want the ice cream on the side? Okay, that'll do a few strawberries.
Right. And then going for a bit of lemon. Traditional.
Gently, because otherwise...
Mummy, look how many ice cream I put on.
Right, you're going for some
Wow.
banana. Good girl. Smart thinking.
That will do.
I bet you've got enough syrup on Axel. It's literally swimming.
Oh, the ice cream that we're using is Alpro salted caramel. And just look at that. Look at the caramel just there. Beautiful. Now, guys, we're going to end to this video now. I hope you've enjoyed it. We definitely have enjoyed it. Well, the eating of them anyway. Yeah. We've got a lot more to eat and we're going to go off and watch Doctor Who now. But I really do hope you all have a wonderful, delicious, loving, peaceful pancake day. And we will see you next time. Until then, remember, don't be no pooper.
Be enough trouble.